On this one, we are looking at story problems where we have to find missing lengths of triangles because we're still using the Pythagorean theorem. Word problems, most of you see words and you cry already. You don't even read it, you just freak out. Calm down. Okay, get your Kleenex, dry your eyes, blow your nose. And then we are going to show you super fast how easy this is. You have to have, trust me, you have to have paper, pencil, or whiteboard marker. Either one, something to write on in front of you. Trust me. So the first one says, Tony, he takes a sheet of paper and he makes a diagonal cut. So a sheet of paper is like a rectangle. And then it says he makes a diagonal. Diagonal means from corner to corner. So for those of you playing at home, you'll know that's called a what on a triangle? That's called a hypotenuse. So we already have that is the orange. Okay. Now it says from one corner to the other, making two triangles. Triangle 1, triangle 2. Of course, it doesn't give me triangles as an option. So if I pulled that triangle apart, it would look roughly like this. I know I'm smaller, but not to scale. Calm down, people, not to scale. So the cut he made, which is that diagonal, is 15. And like I already told you, I said that's the hypotenuse. So that means that's C. We'll call this leg A, and we'll call this leg B, right? It doesn't matter if you switch A and B in this formula. The width of the paper, we'll call that A, is 9. Okay, I'm going to put a box around my numbers just so it's easier to see. B is the length of the paper, and that's the thing we don't know, right? It's a box for Mario Kart. So we're going to go up here. We're going to go up here and have A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Switch colors real quick. C is 15, so we know we have 15 squared. A is 9, so we know we have 9 squared. And B squared is the thing that's missing. I'll put a box around that just to show you. We're not doing anything with that till the end. So first thing, 9 squared, use your cheat sheet, is 81. Plus B squared, again, I'll put a box on it for right now, equals 15 squared. Get your cheat sheet out if you haven't already. And 15 squared is 225. Switch colors for you. Now, we're solving equations. So I want to get B all by itself. So I need to get this 81 first away. So it's a positive 81. So the opposite means we're going to subtract 81. We're going to subtract it from both sides to make it go away. I'm left with B squared, and 225 minus 81 is 144. And then the very last step to get this answer is, it says squared, so the opposite to get that squared to go away is square root. So B squared means B times B, but then the square root of B times B is just B, right? It cancels all this out of here, equals, and the square root of 144 is 12. So we know now that the length, excuse me, I wrote the wrong spot. The length of the paper is 12, which would be in our magic box. I was really hoping for a purple turtle shell, but instead we got 12.